Welcome home, everybody. We got some Disney mail today, so we are going to open that and do an unboxing. It's from D23.
Fitting for the shirt I'm wearing.
Yes, so let us know what you think of what Disney sent to us this time. All right, everyone, here we go. There's what it looks like inside.
Oh, that's a very strong sticker.
Lots of tissue paper. Stuff for the cat to play in, I guess.
Yeah.
Gold member kit. Let's see what we got. So we got the Goofy and Max D23 gold member magnet. Passport to savings. So there's a bunch of stuff in there. Wolfgang Pucks, Wetzels, Swan and Dolphin. Oh.
Splitsville.
Huh. That will be useful on an upcoming trip.
Yes.
We can take some of those with us. And inside here we've got our D23 letter. There you go.
There's my name. Right
Yeah. And membership card.
Stitch.
Yep. So there's definitely a theme here this time around. Stitches. Oh, there's our D23 gold member Stitch pin. And a Yago collector card
for detail. We got our little Mickey thing.
Yeah, a little Mickey head there.
Because Disney knows how to make details.
It holds the gift card. What was that all that was in that?
Yes.
Okay. And there's your Yago.
I need some magical scissors.
There's a skizzer for to open this.
Don't do this at home, kids.
Don't try this at home, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I knew that was in there. I already saw most of this morning thanks to Adam. I watched his video this morning, so.
I have this tattooed on my back.
Yep, and we made a 3D printed version of it. A littler one. Right here. That's our little wee one. That's the one that Disney just sent us.
And this is the Disneyland one, too. Because the Disney World one is round. It's the only thing that's different. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. That's part of the weight, but that's, no, not the weight.
Nope, it is this giant book.
Sorry, here's your... Oh, yeah, that's weight in there.
And I'm not sure if it's inside the book or if it's inside that other thing that's right here, but we'll see in a minute. There's something special in there.
It does imply it's forwarded by him. We got 70 in the D23.
Yep, this is celebrating the 70th. And on the back is the handwritten, "Here you leave today."
I'm going to get the shadow.
Yep. And this is the book. All about Disneyland.
Mm-hmm. The first theme park of... Okay, there's a table of contents.
Contents: Make Believe, Adventureland, Main Street, New Orleans Square, Frontierland, Fantasyland, Tomorrowland. Afterward, acknowledgement, end notes, and image credits. Sleeping Beauty Castle. Make Believe. Early renderings. Deep in the vaults. So for anyone that has joined D23 and hasn't got their kit yet, this is what you can expect. This book is pretty impressive. I don't know if they will sell this book on its own, but I imagine if they were going to sell it, not with the D23 stuff on it, obviously, because that would, would not likely go hand in hand unless they sell it at D23 next May or next August. You'll probably be able to find the book at Disneyland at some point without the D23 commentary to it.
We're just guessing.
That would be my assumption. Again, this is an assumption, not saying that this is going to happen, but I would imagine this book's probably going to be, I don't know, I'd say probably close to $100 based on what it looks like and the time and effort that went into creating this book. It's very impressive.
Ooh, oh.
Chicken plantation. I love all the artist renderings of what the lands were going to look like.
Yeah. That's where it all starts, that imagination. One of the things that Darren and I love about it, on this guy's brain.
Yep.
Like, to me, that's like a Jetsons kind of.
Yes,
that's
very much
to
so.
Me, I like that.
The Jetsons before the Jetsons were the Jetsons. And from the mind of a great Canadian. As you know, Walt has a Canadian background, based in Bluevale, Goderich, Ontario, up here in Canada, about an hour from where we live.
Oh, the submarine stuff.
Yeah, 20,000 Leagues, submarine adventure. That's cool. That's an attraction I miss at Disney World. I did the Nemo subs when we were there for the 70th.
But it is in Disneyland Paris. Our
Yes.
friends Randomly Randy and his wife Marilyn
are currently at Disneyland Paris, and
today.
yes, they got to ride 20,000 Leagues, so that's very cool, because that's one of the very first attractions I went on back in 1978 when I visited Disney World for the very first time. So much cool stuff and history in this book.
Oh. Forgot her name. What?
Oh, the one with the 5-legged goat?
Yeah. Something
Mary,
Blair.
Yeah, Mary Blair.
There it is. I remember because
Mary
my
Blair.
brother's name is Blair, so I remember that. Ooh, these pages are still kind of formed together.
Don't wreck them, don't wreck them.
I really am trying not to. They're like perforated almost.
Uh-oh.
Well, the top is just interesting. I think this is how they were stuck together. So.
Well, keep a watch out, because your pages might not be perfect on your book. Ours weren't, and now we got a couple of torn pages. Ruh-roh, Raggy.
It's
Right there.
Yeah.
Oopsie.
Not very big.
But the pages were stuck together, so I mean, it's not much.
Yeah, if you see the detail right here,
Yeah.
they were stuck, and
Couldn't unstuck them.
yeah, it's beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Acknowledgements. I think this is.
I love all of the, like, the newsprint look for the images.
Aww.
Yep.
What the costumes
Look at-
used to
yeah,
look like
I was
back
just
then.
gonna
Oh
say,
my goodness.
That Mickey looked like back when
Now
the
that
park
looks normal
opened.
compared to some of the other costumes.
Happy 70th, Walt.
That's beautiful.
Mm-hmm. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this quick look at what's in the D23 kit that you're going to get if you're a D23 member. And if you're not, this could be some motivation to join. There's a number of different levels, like from $49 all the way up to the big one at, I think, $300. But
I only did the 99.
yeah, did the basic $99 one. So, and this
came-
got all of these goodies.
And I think the only thing that was different of the next size up was I have actually no idea.
I like the plaque. That's really cool.
But, like, I get these.
And the magnet. And the coupon book. Like, the coupon book's pretty awesome. Let's see what some of the coupons are inside it.
Let's see. And his birthday was a couple days ago, by the way.
Yep.
Happy birthday, Donald.
Donald. Oh,
Donald.
$50 off Citizen Disney watch.
Or,
Of $250 or more, which is pretty much any of their watches in their collection with Disney, so that's always good.
Coca-Cola.
30% off Coca-Cola. Oh, 30% off Disney. Oh, that's a bad one. It's a good one, but it's a bad one.
For me.
Thankfully, we don't have a checked bag to bring home with us next time,
No.
so we can't bring anything home. Oh,
but
darn.
we can mail it.
No. Carl Surf.
That's in Cali.
Buy one, get one 23% off.
Okay.
The official Disney fan club. Save $25 off any D23 event. Ooh, so D23 for next year. If that, I don't know if that will still coincide with that because I know registrations are coming, not for a bit yet, but.
Yeah. So, that's pretty cool.
I'll have to check it and see what there is. DVC, $500 off DVC discount.
This is the best investment, but I am biased.
Yeah, we're DVC members too, so.
I'm pretty biased about that.
And annual pass holders, and
Everything.
the story goes on. Element, Anaheim.
Yeah. So I want to see some of these things are probably the Anaheim stuff.
Yeah, Joffrey's. There's some Joffrey's coupons.
23 kind of makes sense.
Yep. Yeah, there's a theme here. 23% off for D23 members. Marriott.
Ooh. I might take up on that someday. Unless it expires, but.
I'll have to look at that, and maybe it'll work for
this
our
was
next
the store
trip.
that Marilyn and I were in.
Yeah.
These are really, really cute cards. I would never use it. If you bought and then decorated. Ooh, for some Marvel people.
23% off.
$23 off.
Or yeah, sorry. Everything else has been 23%, so 23 and 30. 23 week free digital subscription for National Geographic.
The magazines are better. Most original. Like Grandparents had some of the originals.
23% off Paddlefish at Disney Springs.
Okay, good. I was like, wait a minute, there's not one of those.
Parkside Market in Anaheim.
That was the D store?
Yep. Ravensburger.
Puzzles. Now, this is 25.
Yes.
Off,
Not 23. American Kitchen. Complimentary appetizer with purchase of 2 entrees.
I don't know what this is.
No idea. Splitsville.
No. It could be either coast.
Yeah, because there's one at both Disneys, so.
23% off.
Oh, Sunglass Hut. We were just looking at getting a pair of Meta glasses, so that actually could be pretty beneficial, actually.
Especially $30 off.
Because they're currently, in Canada, they're currently on sale for $295, so add another $30 off that, that's down to $260.
Yeah.
Anaheim Hotel, 30% off. Swan and Dolphin, so this is Disney World, 30% off, that's decent.
Is there a Marriott or a...
One of them is.
Yeah.
Wetzel's, 23% off. Wolfgang Puck, 20% off.
What does it say for off food and non-alcoholic? Okay. Well, we don't drink alcohol stuff, so that wouldn't really.
D23 Gold Theater. What is that one? Gold members can interact, watch digital presentations featuring incredible speakers. Huh, interesting.
Oh.
So yeah, and that's what's in the coupon book. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this look at what has been included with our D23 membership. And if you have any questions, drop a comment below. We'll be happy to answer them. And as always, remember, like, subscribe, drop a comment below, and welcome home.